1 with Brian Britt. A slow ride on the upside FDR Harlem River Drive with this report brought to you by Allstate. You'll see brake lights north on 96th Street into the RFK Bridge, and again from the 140. Up to the George Washington Bridge. I'll give you the Allstate good hand trip of the day, uptown or downtown. See West Side Highway, get your gold star, looking good from 57th Street all the way to the ramp. You see up the bridge, no problems reported.
Oh my God.
Looking good. We got the Jam Cam train right around these 130s right now. That's right up in the Grand Central eastbound. Astoria Boulevard crash takes out the left lane. Your heavies in the LIE getting into the Kew Gardens interchange. And brake lights plenty on the bridges and tunnels. They go Bronx-bound RFK Bridge. The crash then knocking out 2 lanes. You got the roads back onto the Queens span. Out of town to Lincoln and Holland East showing 30-minute delays. Into town, the Queens Midtown tunnel with a 20-minute backup right now. And as you move into New Jersey, Route 80 with a crash westbound at exit 57. With accident forgiveness, your rates won't go up just because of an accident. Call the local Allstate agent. Visit Allstate or visit Allstate.com today. Dollar for dollar, nobody protects you like Allstate. I'm Brian Britton, next report 421 on with view time 412. And now the official 10-10 wind tracking weather 4-day forecast. It's meteorologist Dave Bowers with our live report. Brian, 2 heavy thunderstorm cells are what they know for one is right over New Rochelle, which is still causing some very hard downpours. Now it'll be moved out over Long Island Sound here momentarily. The other one is actually just south of there. This is around the Cross Neck Bridge and Great Neck, and cuts southeastward across the middle of Nassau County to about Levittown and Freeport. There's a severe thunderstorm warning associated with that. That'll be in effect here for another half hour. There's also a flash flood warning for that same cell until 6 o'clock. And that's the main issue with it, is the very heavy rain causing some flooding and ponding on the roadways. And that's moving slowly southeastward. So we've got a couple of showers and heavy thunderstorms just kind of scattered about the tri-state area through the first half of the night. Otherwise, it's going to be partly cloudy, a low of 72. Tomorrow, no rain, just a lot of sunshine, 90. And then tomorrow night, cloudy up a low of 70. Thunderstorms on Wednesday. High temperature around 80, and then it's just dry, seasonably warm with sunshine.
Oh God,
91 degrees in Central Park, mostly sunny, 46% humidity, a southwest wind at 10. Repeating the current temperature, 91 going down to 72 in Midtown. I'm Evaldo Dave Bowers on New York's weather station, Temperature Wind. A bowling alley is rolling into Grand Central Terminal. Starting Wednesday afternoon, young bowlers will compete for $64,000 in college scholarship money. The Terminal's Vanderbilt Hall will host the annual Team Masters Bowling Championship. The final bowl-off will take place after the evening rush on Thursday at 7 o'clock. For James Time, 414. The following is a paid political announcement.
On August 1st, vote yes to create thousands of new jobs right here in Nassau County.
That's great. We need jobs, and lots of them. The new Nassau Sports and Entertainment Arena guarantees that the New York Islanders stay in Nassau. A concert or family show.
Today, Nassau, just in your future. Vote yes on a regular polling location from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Paid for by Vote Yes 2011.
Do you want more, better, and simpler IT security for your business? Access IT Security, a provider of IT security solutions in the Northeast.
Oh my God.
Offers Checkpoint R75 that introduces 4 new software blades for application control. Access software blade architecture. Contact Access IT Group, the premier VAR in the Northeast at 212-946-2886 or accessitgroup.com to secure your network with Checkpoint software solutions. Now this message all FavorMo.com, New York's best car service, fast and reliable. 212-333-3333. Wednesday time 415. Now 10-10 Win Sports, sponsored by 1877 Cars for Kids. From the Bob's Discount Furniture Sports Desk, Kids.com. After 13 seasons in the league and nearly 1,000 receptions, he says he's done. Andy Moss.
रूफ बंद रखी कवर થઈ ગયા
એ તોડ નાખ્યો કાચ.
Oh no. અગર આવશે તો તૂટીને આમ
એમાં આપણું કાંઈ ના થાય હવે.
Insurance covered for natural disaster. Yes, windshield. આગળ roof જો. Oh.
ઓહ.
આમાં નો ચલાવાય કાર કેમ કે સ્પીડમાં એટલા વધારે ફોર્સથી આવે ને રાખો સીધો નો આવે થોડા.
ઓય.
Oh no. God.
વાંધો નહીં. વાંધો નહીં. નહીં બટકે. એક મિનિટ પાછળ વહી જા. પાછળ વહી જાય.